Trisha, may sabihin ako sa'yo.
Uy, wala. Sabi niya, ano yan? She loves you.
Aray!
Hello! Yeah, hi. Gawa natin ng Insta-vid. Tapos mag...
Hello!
Hello! Sana ano, paper? Saan ko siya ilagay? Kawawa.
Tita ko pati si ano.
Hello! Sana no, kung ganito lang man, marami pa lang ano, hindi na lang.
Hindi, wala.
Ayun.
Sabi mo, friendly.
Natin na. Dalton. Nag-work yun, di ba?
Daw.
Nag-work talaga siya pag
Para baka mag-feel ba?
Hindi.
Episode 1 na of season 2. Oh, yeah.
Season 2! Gusto ko mapanood yung si ano, yung tribute nila for Cory Montes.
So,
Huh? Pagkita ko.
huh? Baby, I love you. I need you here.
Hi, guys! Oo, mag-form na tayo line.
Tisha, alam mo ba?
Ano?
Ano ka ba? Alam mo ba? You're my golden star. Tisha, alam mo ba?
Wala!
Ha?
Treasurer! Doon ka pa! Oh, sige na, dyan ka na ha. Magpila ka na, be!
Be? Hi, this is sister. Chika, chika. Go, Marge, go, Marge. Go, Marge. Go, Marge.
Maano tayo, kasi ano na yung, wala na yung LP natin. Number 28 na tayo.
Yeah, that's right.
So, pang-picture tayo.
Yay! Are you happy? Very happy?
Wala na yung LP natin. Number 28 na tayo.
Yeah, that's right.
So, pang-picture. Sister of Xavier Egypt, the sugar lover office is a color bar with, and it is symbol.
Hi, Liz. What can you say about, that thing?
Much blood. I'm so proud.
Belle?
So proud. My name bought it.
Hi.
Para sa'yo.
Say hi! Yeah, you know it's beautiful.
Yeah.
I'm jealous.
So beautiful.
What can you say about What can you say about it?
So many feelings.
Why? Hard work?
Message for La Hermosa. Or, how did rainbow change your life? How did rainbow change your life?
Changed my life forever.
How did How did rainbow change your life? May? May? How did rainbow change your life?
No. Answer the question.
Answer the question.
Okay.
Running of Steve Marshall. How did rainbow change your life? Grabe naman, sobrang ha?
That's how rainbow changed her life.
Ayan. Ikaw po? Okay lang. Sa likod
How did rainbow change
Punta
her
ka na.
life?
Na before ka alit, answer mo munang Miss Universe question namin. How did rainbow change your life?
core values.
Core values for humanity.
Nakakita ko yun.
Rainbow changed my life forever!
How did rainbow change your life? Joyce?
Rainbow changed my life. Life! Life! Ang hindi matanggal-tanggal na kamay.